Okay, so today we're working on another Codewars challenge called max diff, and in this challenge you must implement a function that returns the difference between the largest and smallest value in a given array. The array contains integers, that means it can be positive or negative numbers. And the array, if the array is empty or contains a single element, then we simply return 0, and it tells us that the list is not sorted, or the array is not sorted rather. A couple examples down here. First one, array of 1, 2, 3, 4 should return 3 because 4 minus 1 is 3. Bottom example, 1, 2, 3, and negative 4 returns 7 because 3 minus negative 4 is equal to 7. Alright, so getting started with solving this. There's a couple different ways we could do this. Let's start by taking care of these cases that they mention here. If the list is empty or contains a single element, we want to return 0. So if list.length equals 0, or list.length equals 1, then we'll return 0. Simple enough to handle that. Okay, in terms of solving the rest of this, there's a couple different approaches we could take. I think what I will do is just start by sorting the list. And whenever we're sorting a list of numbers, we need two values to pass into the sort function, a and b. And I'm going to do b minus a, which will return the list in decreasing order, which means that the first value will be the maximum value and the last will be the minimum value. And if we want to just double check that that is working correctly before going on, we can console log the list. And here's this first test case. We see that it's now sorted with the maximum value first. So now we need to return the difference between the max value and the min value. So we will return list at the index of 0 minus the last value in the list is going to be list at list.length minus 1. And if everything's set up correctly, that should work here. And there we go, passes all the tests.